Welcome to the world of dreams where the subconscious mind reveals its deepest secrets. Have you ever wondered what your dreams are trying to tell you? From the mystical to the unusual, dreams can be a window into our innermost thoughts, desires, and fears. 1. Unpacking the symbolism of walking dreams. This dream often symbolizes progress, overcoming difficulties, and navigating life's twists and turns. On a deeper level, walking dreams may indicate a strong desire for personal growth and self improvement. Walking alone, a path to inner guidance. When you're walking alone in your dream, it can be a calming and soothing experience. This serves as a guiding force, helping you to decide which direction to take on your life path. It's as if your subconscious is urging you to tune into your inner compass and trust your instincts. 2. Lost in translation. Unpacking the accent dream. Have you ever found yourself speaking with a foreign accent in your dreams? This reveals underlying concerns about self expression and communication. Dreaming about speaking with an accent may symbolize feelings of being misunderstood or struggling to convey your thoughts effectively. The accent effect. The symbolism behind this dream is rooted in the idea that using the wrong accent around the wrong people can lead to ridicule, confusion, or even conflict. Similarly, when we struggle to express ourselves in our waking lives, it can lead to feelings of frustration, anxiety, and isolation. This dream could be urging you to find new ways to speak fluently your thoughts and emotions, ensuring that your voice is heard loud and clear. 3. The hidden struggle. Unpacking the addiction dream. Dreams about being an addict can be a wake up call to examine your waking life, while dreams about addiction might be linked to actual struggles with substances like food, attention, or alcohol. They can also represent a deeper psychological struggle. Are you using external sources to satisfy a need or cope with stress? This dream may indicate that you are relying too heavily on others or external factors to manage your emotion. The blame game. Addicts often shift the responsibility for their actions onto others. Similarly, in your waking life, are you blaming external circumstances or others for your problems? This dream can serve as a reminder to take full responsibility of your choices and emotions. Low self esteem, the hidden culprit. Dreams about addiction can also be an image of low self esteem. When you struggle with self worth, you may resort to external means such as substances or attention. This dream encourages you to take control of your life and develop healthier and positive methods. 4. Beyond the veil, unpacking the afterlife dream. Dreams about the afterlife can be a mysterious and an interesting experience. But what if this dream is not just about the great beyond, but also about your current life? Escaping hardship. Dreaming about the afterlife may symbolize a deep seated desire to escape a difficult situation or hardship in your waking life. You might feel overwhelmed, stuck, or desperate for a way out. This dream could act like a mirror of your subconscious mind, seeking relief and a sense of freedom. Putting it off. The afterlife dream can also represent a task, decision, or responsibility that you have been putting off. Are you postponing your action on something important, hoping that it will somehow solve itself. This dream could be encouraging you to confront your challenges and tackle the issue head on. 5. Soaring to new heights. Unpacking the plane dream. Dreams about planes can be a thrilling experience, and their symbolism can be just as exciting. Planes often represent a desire for progress, advancement, and reaching new destinations in life. Reaching new heights. Planes swiftly transport us to our desired destinations. Similarly, dreams about planes may symbolize your ambitions and goals. Ambitions and goals are the destinations in your life you want to reach. Fast tracking your goals. As the fastest way to travel long distances, planes can also represent a need for speed and efficiency in your waking life. Are you feeling slow in pursuing your goals? This dream may be urging you to find new ways to overcome obstacles and multiply your progress. 6. Beneath the surface. Unpacking the alligator dream. Alligator dreams often represent danger, mistrust, or hidden threats. Sharp words and deceptive intentions. The alligator's powerful jaws and razor sharp teeth can symbolize someone in your life who uses biting comments or sharp words to hurt or manipulate others. This person may have a tendency to speak without thinking, causing harm to those around them. Untrustworthy characters. Alligators are notorious for their stealthy nature, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey. An alligator in dreams symbolizes someone who is untrustworthy, deceitful, or hiding their true intentions. This person may be manipulating or taking advantage of you or others. This dream warns you to be careful and wise. 7. Deterred dreams. Unpacking the Alice symbolism. Dreams about Alice or backstreet can be a reflection of your current life path. These narrow, winding passageways often symbolize feelings of limitation, confusion, or being sidetracked. Finding yourself in a dead end. Alleys are famous for being dead ends, and dreaming about one may indicate that you are hit a wall. This dream could be a sign that you need to reassess your current path and explore new options and get back on the path to achieving your desires. 8. A beacon of strength. Unpacking the white horse dream. Imagine finding a majestic white horse in the midst of a raging snowstorm. This powerful dream symbol can reveal your inner reserves of strength and the ability to bounce back. White animals, including horses, often act as messengers from the unconscious mind. It can signify that you possess the strength to move forward even when faced with challenging circumstances. 9. Taming the Beast. Unpacking the Dragon Battle Dream. Imagine facing a fierce dragon in a grand arena, confronting the dark side. Battling a dragon in your dream may symbolize a clash with the darker aspects of your personality, your inner demons. The dragon represents the repressed thoughts, desires, or impulses that lie beneath the surface of your conscious mind. This dream may suggest that you are struggling to manage your emotions such as anger, frustration, or passion. The battle with the dragon represents your inner effort to confront and tame these emotions. 10. The fragile float. Unpacking the balloon dream. Balloons can add a touch of magic to our lives. But what do they symbolize in the realm of dreams? Rising and sinking hopes. Dreaming about balloons can represent the fragile nature of hope in relationships. Just as balloons rely on artificial inflation to stay high in the air, relationships can be helped by false hope or unrealistic expectations. This dream may indicate that you are aware deep down that the relationship is unsustainable or that your hopes are about to deflate. It will come crashing down. Rising like a balloon in your dream can also symbolize a deep seated desire to escape a difficult situation or to rise above the challenges that weigh you down. This dream may indicate that you are seeking a mental disconnect or a way to transcend the current circumstances. This dream can serve as a gentle reminder to confront the reality of your relationships or situation. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of dreams. Remember, your subconscious mind is always speaking to you. Listen carefully, and you might just uncover the secret of your own inner world. What's your most vivid dream experience? Share it with me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more dream interpretations and insights into the subconscious mind.